All of you, please start your take out your math copy as usual, and all of you please write down today's date and also CW. It is must, you know, because it is our classwork. So you write down CW and today's date. Okay, Shomrik already written. Very good. So Shomrik is already ready, and all my dear students also ready to do our class. So, and today's date is 8121. So let's start. So last day we have done one activity about this addition, and we have drawn one picture on the basis of this addition. So I hope all of you have enjoyed this type of addition activity, and today also we will do a different type of activity, but today we are not drawing this one. Some of the other day we will do again this type of coloring. Today we will do one activity, that is matching, add and match. Okay, so write down, you will give the heading. First I am writing this addition because this topic is addition, and you will write down first that add means addition. Addition টাকে আমরা শর্ট করে add ও বলতে পারি. Okay, add means same. This is addition. We are called add. So you will write add and match. Matching. Addition করে matching করব. Okay. So let's start. So first, all of you, okay, I'm erasing this one because space is short. So I'm writing here. So first, you will do with me, that is one square. You will draw first with me one square. Then after, give one addition sign, that is plus sign. Then again one more square box you will draw. Completed? Now in this box, first box, you are doing now this type of dots. 1, 2 dots, and the next another box, same 2 dots. Completed? Very good. ঠিক তার নিচে same type of square you are drawing now. 2 square box now we will draw, and first box you are given 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and the next box one, two, three, four. 4 dots. Completed. Next. At the below, just below, same 2 boxes or 2 squares you should draw, and the first box there is 4 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the next box same 4 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one, same square box just below of this, same 2 square box you should draw, and in this box, first box you should draw 3 dots, 1, 2, 3. And another box you should draw 2 dots, 1, 2. These all work I have done at the left side of the page, or I have done here this board at the left side. পুরোটাই কিন্তু left side এ করে গেছি, just below the boxes, same 4 boxes, arranging this here. Now turn is right side. Right side you will draw. What is the shape? Can you tell me? What is the shape? Tell me, anyone? Arijit, very good. Yes, it is semicircle. So you will draw with me. At the right side, 4 semicircle. First you should draw like this. 1, just below 10, just below same, and just below 3, and the last one 4. So 4 semicircles I have drawn the right side on the board, and you will do in your copy. I hope you should complete it. You have completed already. So now this semicircle, first semicircle you will draw. Very good, Afrin, and all of you. I hope you have already done this first semicircle. You should draw in the middle, in this portion, in the semicircle, 8 dots. You will draw 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. First semicircle I have drawn here 4 dots. 8 dots. 8 dots. Now second one, 5 dots you should draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second semicircle, in this semicircle you should draw 5 dots. Okay, 5 dots. Now next, number third, you should draw 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so Shomrik আর অঙ্কিতাকে বলছি প্লিজ ভিডিওটা অফ করে দিন, put off your cameras. Ankita and Shomrik, please put off your camera. Thank you, Shomrik and Ankita. Thank you, beta. And the last semicircle, in this semicircle, you should draw 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 4 semicircles, and in these semicircles I have drawn some dots. First one 8, second 5, third 4, and the last one 9. Okay, now our activity is ready to do. Now we are matching left side with the right side, square with square to semicircle. Semicircle এর সাথে square গুলোকে match করব. So first one, you can see these first 2 square box, there is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So first one, there is 4 dots. First 2 boxes add together and you can see the answer is 4. Answer is 4. So we are matching these left side with the right side, where you should find out 4 dots in this semicircle. Yes, third number 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is also 4. So we are matched with this. Number 1 we have completed. Now next number 2. 2 square box you should add together. So first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. So how many? 5 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So we will find out where is 9 dots in the semicircle. Yes, and the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are matched with this. Completed. Now third one, 2 boxes add together. How many? First one is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other box also 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both numbers same numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Okay. So where is 8 in the semicircle? This first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are matching with this. And the last one, add together both the square box, add together 1, 2, 3 dots, and the next one 1, 2. So 3 plus 2, 1, 2, and after 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So where is 5 in the semicircle? The second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so I have matched with this. Okay, so already some of the students already sending me the screenshot. So I hope all of you are understood this activity, and I hope this type of activity you are enjoying this, you know. Wow, Brotin also doing this. Very good. So today we have done this type of matching activity with the addition. So you can also do this type of activity, that is last day we have done, today we have done this one. So these different type of so many activities you can do at your home with the addition. Okay. Always we are doing this type of addition, 4 plus 2, 2 plus 3, like this vertical addition, horizontal addition. We have done this, and we have already practiced it. So it is boring sometime. So this type of new activity, I hope you can enjoying this. So first, now I am. So today I have done this one. This is for today's class. Next day we will do another activity. Okay. So now I am